Motorcycle social distancing 2020. How did I sound?
Huh?
How did I sound on my headphones?
I could hear you, but it was like, oh, you could hear a lot of wind.
I can't tell. I got them Raycons.
The what?
Raycon earbuds.
Oh, really?
So I don't know if it's doing the microphone through my earbuds or through my helmet or through my forehead. I'm stopping at McDonald's. I'm like, well, they won't let us, can't go in the lobby to order food. And I brought my road steaks with me. So,
Yep.
I mean, can't get much more manly than this.
Exactly.
Majestic. Huh? I said, look at the Majestic. Castle Rock? No, not Castle Rock, Flag Rock. Is it Flag Rock? Where are we at now? High Knob? High Knob? That's too far. This better be worth it. It's not worth it. Everything's dead. What's that?
This goes back to where we need to go.
Does it?
Yeah, it wasn't so much the original route, but if it was open, it was cold.
Turn around. What's that?
We're not going to make that.
Yeah, I don't know, maybe.
I'm not going to worry about it.
Okay. Like everything's shut down.
How long do I got to keep you, to keep you?
Pretty cool. It's nice. It's pretty and majestic. Sure getting my fill of majestic today. Is this the bathtub?
Yeah, you got a like a mile hike.
Oh, F that. dark.
Agreed.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out, yeah. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
Slithery snake. Snake. That was very fun. That was very lucky. Dude, these tires are freaking awesome.
You know, I think part of it is because we're running low pressure.
But, I mean, shit.
And because it's not real hot. Because they can't overheat.
Can they?
Yeah, I've overheated them with the Dragon for either.
Oh, that's sprinkling now. But we're done. We got all the good parts.
Yeah, I know, exactly.
Well, I mean, dude, for how cheap these dang things are and what we just asked them to do.
Yeah, like I said, I was really impressed with them today.
So,
I never really raced the limit.
I didn't, like you said, I didn't feel like they're I mean, they're predictable. There was a few, it was just like on the fronts, I was kind of plowing in turns on a few spots, but it wasn't like sketchy. It was just like, yeah, I was impressed. I'm freaking impressed with these tires.
Yeah, you just can't be crazy with them.
Well, for, like I said, for what our style of riding,
Yeah.
I mean, freaking,
Yeah, they definitely.
we're not track stars out there. It just needs to do what we're asking of it. Like,
Smooth or happy.
yeah. Well, plus, and I was just like, dude, how much better they are compared to street tires and gravel.
Yeah.
Dude, that's a huge difference to me. That was fun. I had a lot of fun today.